All right, moving on with our journalist paper. So today we're working on key ideas and details. So really, guys, this is something that I expect you to be able to do without me at this point of the year. So try it without me first, and then come back through and watch if you couldn't find answers. It's really just about rereading the text. So for example, when number 1 says, what is a journalist? It says right in here what a journalist is. So what you should be doing is rereading the text to find out what a journalist is. I'm going to tell you that it's in this first paragraph. So if you read that, it'll tell you exactly what a journalist is. It says report. Read with me and follow along. How would it feel to miss a birthday party because no one told you? Information needs to be shared. There are boatloads of information. People need to know about the news. A journalist can tell about things that happen. They deliver important information. A journalist can write or report on the news. They share information about what's happening. Okay, it said right there what a journalist was. It's a person who what? It's right there. So you're going to restate the question. This is one of the last times I'll walk it through it with you guys, so I really want to start letting you go, right? If we were in class, you would be doing this. You would also have opportunity to talk to a partner, which I know is a little different than what we're doing now. So what is a journalist? A journalist is a person who, what? You could talk about, tells about things that happen, deliver important information, they write and report on the news. All of those are correct. Okay, that's exactly what a journalist is. It's someone who's giving you information. Who do journalists work for? This is, again, about reading. It's about rereading the text. So you read then and now. It's in this paragraph. When asks, who do journalists work for? It's in here. So you would restate the question, journalists work for blank. Guys, this is really important that you're able to do this. You're going on to 3rd grade next year, and you will be writing much, much more. So take your time, push yourself, go through it. Number 3, what is the main topic of the passage? Say the main topic, go back, take a look at the title, take a look at the 3 headings, report, then and now, faster info. Kind of summarize the main idea, right? It's about journalists, what they do, what their job involves, and how it's changed over time. Okay, there's a lot of ideas. You pull those ideas together and write a sentence. Number 4, what is the connection between journalists and newspapers? Okay, so there's a connection here. They definitely work together. So you know a newspaper is a paper means of communication that usually gets delivered to your house, or you can buy it at stores, and it gives lots of information, lots of details, lots of reports. So what does journalism have to do with newspapers? Are they connected at all, or are they 2 totally different things? And lastly, number 5, how has the job of a journalist changed throughout the years? I would read then and now. If it's about how it's changed, then would be in the past, now would be currently. You could also start talking about the faster info, talk about ways, because right, faster info is also how things have changed, because they didn't have information quite as fast in the past as they do now. So you could use some of these details to talk about how they're different. Remember, guys, you're going to use capitals, end marks, and complete sentences. You can do this.